Okay, peace and blessings, family. What's up, everybody? Peace to the tribe. Hope everybody's feeling well, doing well. If you can hear me good, type unlock in the chat so I can know we are good to go. All right, thank you, thank you. Sweet, sweet. All right, we about to kick off. Let's get it. Okay, family, what's up? Who we got in the building? Okay, the tribe is here. So yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm feeling ready. Been really looking forward to today. I got my coffee ready. I got my breakfast ready. Got a snack. I got some water. Is y'all feeling good? I went to the gym. Okay. Got my body right, clean. You know, they say cleanliness is next to godliness. So feeling good, feeling fresh. Listen to some good audio, good meditative tunes to help me feel even better. Let me know how y'all feeling. What did you do this morning to get your mind ready for these markets? I know everybody want to jump right into the charts, but if your mind ain't right, ooh-wee, you might put yourself in a weird position, okay? All right, so let's go ahead, make sure our YouTube. Jump right into the charts, but if your mind, YouTube is all ready. All right, good, good. Okay. So do me a favor and type a 1 in the chat if you're trading today, or if you did some trading last week. Like if you are actively trading, type a 1. If you're just watching, type a 2. I'm signing up today. Okay. Peace, peace, Curtis. What's up, Manny? What's up, Isaiah, Cassandra? Hey, Lenora. What's up to the tribe? Sherelle, what's up? Sade, Jaquia, Deja, Jadal. I see everybody. I see all y'all. Peace, David. Okay, so to all my people on here, everybody, I need y'all asking questions when I do something. And 2, if you type number 2, I definitely need you asking questions. Like you are the people who I really, really need to ask those questions that you feel like are dumb, basic, like it's a waste of my time. If you think you're wasting my time by asking this question, ask it. Okay? Been busy, need time to learn, don't want to be not ready and focused. Yep, makes sense. Makes sense. Don't forget sometime though, you got to make time. Just like you go out and make money, you got to make time, literally. So you got to somehow, some way, move some things out of your schedule. Got to sacrifice a little bit of sleep. Got to sacrifice things that make you tired. So that way you got more energy to stay up longer. Okay, cool. Let me. Okay, I just want to make sure we on point about these rules. Remember, I'm trying to do everything as much as possible on live stream. I could have did some trading yesterday, which was Monday, but I didn't. I said I wanted to wait for the tribe to actually show y'all this on the live, but throughout the week, if I can't do it on the live, then I will be doing it in our secret channel called the 30-Day Challenge or the trading games. I'm gonna not break these rules that I set for myself, but also the rules that the funded account company, the prop firm set. So I'm gonna try not to break those rules either. Okay. We're gonna get right. Why do you only trade 3 days? So I'm just trying to teach y'all good habits about how to find the best times to trade and only focus on that. Okay, because it's really easy for you to trade every single day, and early on that's really kind of dangerous. Not saying you can't do it, I'm just saying that it's kind of dangerous to try to do it early on. Okay, it's really dangerous to try that early on. It's really dangerous. And the reason why is because you don't understand that Mondays can be dangerous times in the market, because a move could be happening that started from last week. Okay, a move that happened last week can be still playing out, and you're just looking at, okay, what happened today? But you don't understand that really this move has been in the market since like Thursday or Friday. And now you looking at one thing, but everybody else is focused on, okay, this other move still needs to happen. Or on Friday, a lot of crazy little plays start to happen where, one second. Okay, cool. Yeah, so a lot of things happen where the market makers, as they call them, they get slick and they just start either buying a bunch or selling a bunch, and they get crazy. Okay, they get real crazy real fast. So let me see. I'm gonna try to do something different on IG. See if it can work. Yeah, NFP definitely catch people slipping. All right, 1 second, IG. I'm trying to get y'all right. And then we're gonna jump into these markets. Okay, look like it's working. All right, so people on my Instagram, do you see two screens? Do you see my face and the computer? All right, cool. I'm glad you're focused and ready. Let's get it. All right, so also I want to try to find the best trading setups possible, not just do anything super random. I started this challenge off real kind of like patient, try not to do both, try not to do too much at once. And it's been working out, I didn't have to come out the gate really swinging my bat real hard and real aggressively, real unnecessary. So thankfully it's working out. And now I'm like way ahead of even where I thought I was going to be by this time. And we should be passing this challenge pretty early, hopefully, keep our hopes up. Once again, it's a no judge zone. So don't judge myself, don't judge any questions in the comment. Just try to come here with good energy, good positive energy. Remember, we're doing this for educational purposes only. So I want to show y'all what trading looks like, how it looks to get funded in real time. The power of leveraging other people's money. Once I get this $100,000 account, you're going to see now, oh, shoot, look, the same thing that he did on his demo account, making $4,000 in a week, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 in a week. He's also doing it now with real money. So you guys are watching it live in the flesh. So pretty much if I could do it, you can do it. And I just really want to prove that to you. Also for me, I wanted to get better at removing emotion from my losing trades. And I've only lost one time so far on live. So, I mean, and even that was tough. Like, it was good though. It was exactly what I needed. As soon as I made that loss, I could have just like clammed up and been nervous to take another trade for the day. But, or I could have got really reckless and started revenge trading. So I stayed calm, poised, and I picked the next best trade for me, made that money back and more. So I feel like I'm learning my lessons of what I really wanted to get from this challenge as well. My daily affirmations: I am not my trading account. I am who I am. I was born rich, but I will use trading to make me wealthy. And I will not go against my trading plan or my rules. They are designed to protect me while ensuring steady growth. Now, if you're new here, you're going to see me using a few different pieces of software. Boom, 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 boom. So we got T.Bot, we got TradingView, MetaTrader, a lot size calculator, Slack, and my Forex funds. So let me go over what each one of those are. So Slack, I'm going to start with T.Bot. T.Bot is our indicator that we use to find trading setups. So it's very significant to my trading. It lets me know what markets to pay attention to. Very crucial, very, very crucial. Then T.Bot lives on TradingView. At least this is one of the places where it lives. So TradingView is a software where we can look at charts, mark up and like edit those charts, design things, and it's really cool. So I love it. And also T.Bot is there sending signals right on the chart. Also use MetaTrader 4 or 5. Either one of those is what I use to actually put markets, orders onto the market. And then a lot size calculator, which is really important. So pretty much when you're trading, you want to make sure that you're risking a predefined amount. You want to know exactly how much of your account you're risking for this trade. So that way, if you lose, you know exactly how much you're going to lose. So there's some tools out here that help us with that. We put one right on the Unlock Academy website to make it easier for you to use. And it helps me manage my risk, which is the number one thing that you can do when it comes to becoming a professional trader is manage your money, manage your risk, and make sure that you don't blow all of the money in your account. I thought MT4 was banned because it's Russian. So the mobile app was banned in the App Store, but you can still access the website. And yeah, so you're still good. They can't limit it from the website. The internet is pretty much decentralized, but we all know that can stop too. They can limit different websites. So we're not going to be naive to that. But anyway, Slack is what we use where we get signals from T.Bot. So when a new trading opportunity is possible, that notification comes to what we call Slack, which is a private community group chat. And also this is where our other coaches live, and they give advice and tips and tricks. And also when I'm offline, not going live, I'll be posting updates in the Trading Games channel. And then lastly, my Forex Funds, which is a prop firm. This is how I actually get the $100,000 account, because they put me through a challenge. If I can grow a fake $100,000 account by 8% within 30 days, and then 5% within the next 60 days, they'll give me a $100,000 trading account, which is super powerful. Now, of course, they give me 90 days, but the challenge is for me to do it within 30 days. So that's what I'm doing now. To take this challenge, it costs $500. So that's the whole premise of flipping 500 to 100K. Really can't beat this. This is what it looks like. You have phase 1, 8%. So pretty much I got to trade, put in all these trades and try to pick the best trades that's going to grow my account from by 8%. So they give me a $100,000 demo account, and I have to grow it to 108,000. Okay. And then the rules is I can't break like the drawdown rules, and drawdown means my account can't go down 5% in a day. So if I'm just losing mad trades and it goes down 5K, then I lose the whole challenge and I have to start over. Or if I go down overall, if I go 12%, $12,000, then I lose the challenge as well. Okay. So if you want to get more details on this, go to day 1 of this video and you can type in like on the questions there, and you pretty much can answer all the questions that you may have. I probably already answered there, but if you have more, you can comment them there and I'll respond. Okay. When we join Unlock, is the $199 monthly with the $2,000 funded account? Is that a demo account? No. So that's actually a live account. So what we give you is access to a My Forex Funds live $2,000 account. And the way that works is it's 2K live. When you trade it, you can literally make money on it instantly, right? So once again, this is the first Unlock Academy, from what I know, is the first organization doing that. And it's really cool because this account doubles every time you flip it by 10%. So once you grow it by 10%, they're going to turn it to 4K. And then once you do another 10% growth, they're going to 1.5x it. So it'll go from 4K to 6K. And then after you do it again, they're going to turn that 6K to 12K. So I'm doing that myself as well. So leading by example, trying to show y'all how it works. I just passed my first phase. So they just doubled my account and they gave me a payout. It was like $100-something bucks. So it starts off small with these payouts. You make $100, then you make $200, then you make $400, then you make $800. It starts to double though, real quick. So by next month, I should be seeing anywhere from, I don't know, 3K to 5K per week. And then give me like 3, 4, 5 months, and this account is going to be at 300,000, right? From 2K to 300,000. So imagine now you make 10% in a week, you made $30,000 in a week. So I'm gonna just show y'all that that's possible. I did want y'all to comment below and let me know what level you are at. A 1 for people who are trading but negative. You could put a 0 if you don't have any trading experience right now. Type of 2 if you have break even. Type of 3 if you're making a profit, and type of 4 if you are a professional. For all my zeros, don't get intimidated by these live trading sessions. Believe me, all it takes you is 30 to 60 days of watching these lessons that we have for you in day trading school, and you'll be able to understand everything I'm saying. I've been meaning to hook up with you, but my time is so limited. Any suggestions? So if you don't have the time and you're like absolutely positive that you can't make time, then I would recommend that you just make time, like figure it out. No, I'm joking. I would like try to work with you. Maybe we could do a one-on-one consultation and see what that looks like to help you make time. But also a big update for everybody, just so you know that next week we are launching, this week, I'm sorry, it's already the week. So this week we're launching Auto Trader, but we're opening up enrollment. So we're gonna open up enrollment. We'll accept 1,000 people only. Once we get those 1,000 people in, we're gonna get you onboarded. We're gonna train you, teach you how it works. And then most likely like the first week of November, you'll be ready to start auto trading. So if you're somebody who don't have time to trade and you're sure about that, then Auto Trader may be for you. But I will tell you, auto trading is great, but there's nothing like knowing how to trade as well, okay? Same thing with the signals. The signals are great. They can get you a 60, 70% win rate, 80% in some weeks. But when you know how to trade and mark up the chart first, right? When you come to day trading school with these coaches, we'll show you how to get a higher win rate where you're 80%, 90% consistently, right? Every week. So that's the goal. That's definitely the goal. So start with auto trading if that's all you can do, because it's a great way to start some passive income. But when you learn how to manual trade, you can get funded accounts and you can increase your win rate even more. Please hit me up when you can. You just send me a DM and I'll respond. I'll respond back. But Thursday night, that link is in my bio if you guys want to get access to Auto Trader, if you want to be one of the 1,000. Save your spot, okay? Only 1,000 people can fit in the Zoom. And when you get there, we're going to be doing something special for y'all 1,000 people. So this is, y'all know, earlier this year when we launched it, our price was kind of high and it's only going to go higher. But what we're doing for the first 1,000 people is really special, okay? So definitely be there at the live. save your spot, because we only paid for Zoom to give us 1,000 spots. Okay. So just showing you a little bit of day trading school. When you get involved, you'll come and see this yourself. We make it simple as possible. We call it the ABCs and 1 2 3s of day trading. So definitely come through. Okay. The membership prices for joining Unlock Academy start at $49 if you just want signals from T.Bot. Or if you want to become a pro and learn how to actually mark up the charts and trade, it's $149. And then if you're somebody who wants to become a funded trader and out the gate and you want to become mentored by us, then it's $199. So really affordable packages, each one. You can work your way up. The pro is the most popular because you get in with T.Bot signals and trading school, and also accountability coach out the gate. And we have live trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for you to join us. Okay. Hey, okay, cool. All right, IG tuned in. How we feeling over here? Yeah, got to get them stretches in, Coach Greg, for real. So when we give you that $2,000 account, once again, here's how it works. It starts at 2K, grow it by 10%, it goes to 4K. Grow it by 10% again, and go to 6K. Grow it by 10% again, and go to 12K. Grow it by 10% again, and go to 18, then 36K, then 54K, then 108K, and then 162K, and then $324,000. Okay. Yeah, $199 a month, $149 a month. All of our membership prices is monthly or annual. We also got an annual price too, but it's ongoing because we always adding more content. We always doing more stuff for you. T.Bot is something that's always being maintained. We don't just give you a software and just as is. No, we make sure we upgrade it as we find new discoveries, new strategies, things like that. So I'm excited about this one. So I'm gonna be showing you today. I'm gonna be trading. Shoot, I'm gonna have to open up. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to open up 2 windows for trading because on my phone right now I'm streaming. But yeah, I'm trading these 2 different accounts right now live, and I want to just show y'all how to scale this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into some of these charts and see what we got going on for the day. I'm gonna start off. What I'm on US 30 right now. Okay, cool. Oh, US 30 finally is pushing up. I was watching this trade last night. Pulled back, bounced up. This trend line looked pretty strong. But is this an opportunity? Let me go over here and also see what T.Bot has been warning us about. Also, don't forget right here, check it out. We're doing a world premiere of T.Bot 2.0 and also a special music video sponsored by Unlock Academy. You do not want to miss this video, okay? Very powerful, great times to drop it because of everything going on in the world. A lot of imagery that may really help you unlock your higher self. So link is in my bio. It's going to be a double header Thursday night, 8 p.m. We're going to be doing 2 very powerful things. Okay, this I'm about to say, you ain't trying to work for us. All right, so let's go over here and see if we had any recent signals. Okay, so at 3 a.m. we got an NJ signal, so we haven't had anything lately. NJ&U was breaking out. And then same thing over here, OCAD, JPY. So I'll go check them out. But before that, I just want to make sure that we good on the news. So let's check the news and see what it's looking like. Wednesday, ooh, oh no, it's Tuesday, sorry, it's Tuesday. So no crazy news coming out today. So we good on the news. We don't have to really worry about any high impact news today. If you don't see red folders or orange folders on Tuesday, then that means we're pretty good. Okay. All right, so we'll chill on that. So let me go over here and check out what T.Bot told me to check out, which was in NJ&U. Ooh, there it goes. It's pumping right now too. All right, let me do my top-down analysis. Let me clear out my indicators for a second. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go back a couple days and go back to this top up here. And then I'm gonna try to find my floors and ceilings. I'm gonna start by looking for anywhere I see like a ceiling. And I just put a horizontal line on it. Oh, it's breaking a high right now. This is nutty. This is crazy. Okay. Then we got some support down here. Some more support down here. Okay, that look good. Then I'm gonna look for wicks on candlesticks. I'm gonna make those a little bit thinner and maybe like dashed to let us know that's a wick. Be careful on those wicks. A lot of the time the price will break right through the wick, but you can't be too sure. Okay, so this market is trending right now. I see a good opportunity there. Let me go down to the 1 hour time frame. I just don't really love NJ during the US Open. It's not really a great time to trade. And T.Bot sent that signal like 5 hours ago, so might not still be relevant. All right, but overall, we are in a, now it's time for me to draw my trend lines. That was a pretty strong downtrend that it finally broke. And now it's coming back up. Look like we got a nice uptrend as well building up here. We'll make that green. So if you look at this, this looks crazy to some people, but this is all you have to do is draw some horizontal lines and then draw some diagonal lines. Okay, we'll show you how to do this. This is very important. Once you have these lines, you have a good idea about where the prices want to bounce around at. Okay, very important. This market is kind of trending right here too, so I'm gonna draw more. Okay, so now I can go down here to like the 15-minute time frame and look for other setups. Oh, I'm glad I stayed out of this last night. Ooh. All right. So now I put T.Bot on and start looking for opportunities. Okay, right here, T.Bot, you see this little green circle. Let me zoom in so y'all can really see this. Ooh, wee. Yo, if you was up at 3 a.m., this was crazy. So T.Bot sent a sell signal. Let me show you that. It sent the buy signal and a sell signal. So the buy, it told us to get in at the green dot. I'm about to show you. And then the sell signal here, the sell signal was at 84.32, which was right around here. Oh, that's where you want to get out at. So this was one signal here. Boom, boom. That would have hit our take profit well. And then the next one is the buy signal coming up here. So if we're going to take this buy signal, we got to get in at this green dot right here. And as you see, the market is about to take us into that area. The X down here represents, move it out the way. The X right here represents where we should get out at. And then the take profit is up here. So that's on the M15. Let me see what the M5 is telling us. Okay, nothing, but where's the stop loss would be? Let's see my moving averages. Yeah, I don't really love this trade. I ain't gonna lie. It might really do good, but I'm not a big fan of NJ. When is launch day? Thursday. Thursday we open enrollment, and then Auto Trader actually starts trading the first week in November. Once we got everybody onboarded, everybody got their seed wallets replenished. Is the monthly membership prorated or set on a date of purchase? It's the date of purchase. So yeah, every 30 days from the day you sign up. Okay, cool. So this is, I don't know. I would need to see another pullback or something like. So this looks like our trap. I'll draw our trap house around it. So if I can see a nice little bounce off of this trap ceiling, then I'll give it a chance. But right now it's just looking kind of weird. Because I don't know where to set my stop loss. Honestly, my stop loss would have to be way down here as of right now. And I don't like that. Okay. I'm trying to turn this 500 to 10K, and you here you're going for the whole 100K. Oh yeah, I'm going, I'm going for the whole 100. That's how you do it. Go big or go home. Now 10K is great though. Hit your goal, bro. Hit your goal. Yeah, so I'm not a fan of this right now. So let me keep looking. Let me see where we can find us a good setup. Who I really on a 30-day challenge, I said I was gonna stick to these pairs. So it's US 30. Which is looking okay. Where's the link to sign up for Auto Trader? I don't see it in your bio. So click, it's gonna say T.bot 2.0. Click that link and register for the info session. You have to be at the info session to get the details on how to join, because we accepting 1,000 people. Yeah, great question though. Thank you for asking that question. Peace, everybody joining in. All right, so what y'all looking at? Anybody in the chat trading? Y'all looking at anything good right now? Oh, shoot. Gold and you, okay. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you, gold. Let's see what EU is looking like. Oh, it's in this wedge pattern still. Sheesh, we've been tearing EU up. T.bot been killing it. So I'm gonna come back to EU. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It's getting there, but it's not ready just yet. GJ. Ooh. Ooh, GJ might be ready. Okay, I like this. I like this. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing here. I'm gonna come right back to you, GJ. UJ is just, oh, I also like what I'm seeing over here, because this joint is going crazy right now. It's just trending up. Wow. Gold. Gold is in this little trap I see coming down. So I'll be looking for a bounce somewhere soon on gold, or breakout to this bottom down here below what's that, 1640. I would like that. I would like that. I'm gonna put a little tool there just to remind me. I would like that. I would get in down here somewhere, write it down, figure out what my stop loss would be. Okay. Aussie dollar. Oh, we just caught that. Oh, that was a couple of days ago. It's bouncing off of this 200. Oh, I like this too. I like this too, because we got something about to happen right here. Sometimes what you'll do is you'll get used to just seeing these patterns. Like I see this triangle right here about to take place. Y'all see that triangle? Type of one, if you see that triangle. And that just means now we about to get a breakout to the top of it or out the side of it. Yeah, excuse me, y'all. So Lenora said, when I set up my live account on TradingView, will that bot be there? Great question. So as a member, you'll get access to the Trap House indicator. So that's cool. You get that for free. So we just have to invite you, and we'll be sending you out a form so you can get that invite. And then the other indicator that you see here with these green dots and squares, it's a payment. So it's a monthly fee. It's $99 a month, because literally it's going to give you exactly where you need to get in, get out. But of course, you should do your own technical analysis to get that the best entry. Yeah, do your TA. Yeah, do your TA to get the best entry. But for members, you will get half off. That's the cool thing too. Members get half off for the indicator. All right, cool. This is looking good. So. I really love this. Let me put that up here. US 30 was not looking super ready. It's thriving, but I don't see a good place to. Let me see what my risk to reward would be. Stop loss would be here. 1-to-1 would be around here. It's possible. It's possible. I see a good entry. I see it. I see it. I'm not in love with it though. I'm not in love. I think I like the GJ. And CGU. Oh, y'all like GU too. I see an M pattern. So I'm gonna show y'all what I see. I'm gonna break down each one of these. I'm just going through them to make sure first. This one looks the craziest. I really love that. I love that too. Okay, go left. UJ, I don't know. UJ is still pushing. EU, nah, I ain't messing with you. All right, let me focus on these ones. AU, GJ, and then GU. So let me see. I'm gonna go back a couple weeks, see where I want to get in at. Just put it up here. Why not? About to start moving kind of quick, y'all, because some of these trades is about to happen right now. Trying to pass this challenge. Okay. Wait. Okay, just find all my ceilings and floors. See where I might find some rejection at. I'll go down to the 1 hour, see if I can find some trend lines. Got this one right here. Let me get rid of this triangle. That's a nice trend line right here. So I'm gonna set an alert on this instantly and say, if we see, oh, let me get off the 1 hour. Wait, I'm gonna set my alerts in a minute, not yet. Set my alerts on a smaller time frame so that way I get an alert instantly as soon as the price crosses that area. This is a massive downtrend line. Sheesh, since Tuesday, September 13th. If you're watching this right now and you firmly believe this is not for you, this looks super complicated, type of 1 in the chat. I just want to know who's like, oh, heck, nah, this is crazy. So nah for you, Deja. You've been going in though, girl. I don't know. I don't know if I believe you. Boy, Craig said even looking at CJ, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay, so Australian dollar, I really like this a lot. Let me go down to the 15-minute time frame. Because what I see is this has been in a massive downtrend. So what I see is it's probably about to go up here to these somewhere in this area up here and start to fall back down. So we may not be able to make a trade on this morning. It might take a while. So I doubt that this will move that quick, but I'll be looking to get in somewhere down here and ride it down to this point. So even though I like how it looks, it just may not be time yet. So we got to keep our eye on it and see. Now I'm gonna go over to GJ. Make sure I got everything marked up over there. Okay, cool. So what I love about all of these black lines that I draw is that pretty much they represent your trap houses, right? Each one of these represents your trap house. So this right here is the trap house. And as we see, it just had a breakout, and now we're in this trap house. And then once that one gets broke, we'll be in this trap house. And then once that one gets broke, so you think about this like some expensive, real expensive trap mansion where it has floors, right? Like a penthouse. It's like, whoa, which floor do you live on, right? So where are you going to make money at, and which one of these trap houses? And that's pretty much what I'm looking at. As you see, this blue line came into this trap house right now, and the price also went into that trap house. They met up here. So usually when you see the price and the EMA 200, which just represent the average price over the last 200 candles, when you see that, that means that there's probably about to be a reversal or an explosion within that trap. So in this area, it looks like it touched that area and it reversed. So we may be seeing GJ, go back up. Go back up here towards this high, which was the high from yesterday. We may see that start to become the case. So even if I put my stop loss down here, this is a really good entry. I like it. I like it as long as I can make sure that we're really about to go back up and it's not exhausted. Make sure this market is really going up. Yeah, we broke this trend line last week, Thursday. So it's definitely been booming. That's a good sign right there. It came down here, broke back up towards the top. That's a good sign too, but we got to be careful with this resistance coming right around here. So if I was to get into this market, it would have to be like a stop loss around here. Okay, so that can work. That can really, really work. All right, so I think I might go for that one. I like this. Let me see if I can get a break above this little blue line, like this stop loss area. This look at this downtrend line I had right here. I'm gonna make it real thick. You see this thicker line? It was trending down there all night. It broke above it, retested it right here, and now it's going up. So I can watch to see if that's actually gonna keep going up. So let me see if I can get my lot size calculator. There we go. Then let me also open up my MetaTrader. All right, cool. There we go. We had 104,000. Let me see if I can open up another one. It's going to be a little risky, but I'm going to see if I can open up 2 accounts at once. Shoot. All right, let me see this. Let me show you how this. Everybody on Instagram, don't be over here looking at my stuff. All right, y'all. Try to hide this from y'all a little bit. I'm gonna just do this for a second, make it easier. 1 second, try it. Hmm. Okay. Hold on. Okay, cool. It's waiting for us too. It ain't rushing. It ain't rushing. All right, let me see if this works out. So this is my other accelerated account. This is the first time I'm trying to see if I can do two at once. Now I open up one in the incognito tab. So this is still here. I'm gonna try to refresh and see what it do. Nope. It opened up that one. And this one over here. Okay. Looking good. I think as long as I don't refresh, I'll be good to go. So that's that there. Cool. All right, bring y'all back over here. So that's GJ. It's looking about ready. We're just gonna wait for this little explosion. So it's about 41 pips for stop loss, a good 1 to 1.4. Hey, peace, brother. Calico Black. We just gotta wait to see. So it's 41 pips. So I'm gonna need two of these open as well. Y'all remember last week, this was the only loss we had was with GJ. So they better show us some love today. So the equity for remember, if you're trading with me, don't press the button until I press the button. Don't pull the trigger yet. Please be a little, I might change my mind. Let me stop joking. It's not a laughing matter. It's not funny. 104,931. 104,931. So you got to put your own account balance over here into this calculator to know how much you're going to be trading. Now you ain't miss a lot. We just literally looking for I think we got our first setup. You missed the analysis part for a couple of the pairs. So yes, that's the calculator I used. So pretty much so for this $100,000 account, it's gonna be 0.78. No, I didn't do this. So 41 pips is the stop loss amount. This is my balance. I'm risking 1%. Cool. This one over here, 41, the balance is $4,077. So 0.14. So you see this one, it tells me my lot size should be 0.14 or volume, like they call on MetaTrader sometime. But on this account, it's 3.8, so a whole lot more. This one is 381,000 units. This one is 14,000 units. Either way it go, they're both 1% of the respective account. Okay, cool. Scotty, what's up, my boy? Scats. Miss you, bro. Okay, so this can also be a rejection area once again, because look right here, the market hit this area twice, bounced up, then it broke through it. Now it's finding resistance around it again. So let's see what happens around this area. It's definitely a very important area. If this rejects and comes back down, trying to think if I should still jump into it as a sell. I think I would. I really think I would. So if this thing starts to come back down, I would need to see it break this area first. And then entry would be somewhere around here, going down to this area down here, which is great. So that's not bad at all either. This really does find more rejection and starts to come down. So I could see a sell. I could see a sell opportunity and a buy opportunity. The buy, I'm a little nervous about because of this right here. I don't really like this area, but if I go to the higher time frame, it looks like we're in a strong uptrend. Everything, let me make sure. 30-minute tells me, yeah, 30-minute tells me as well that we're still in a strong uptrend. Uh-oh. These green candles are looking very strong. It looks like it's making a bottom wick right now on this 30-minute candle. We on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so this makes sense. This makes sense. Right now it's building that bottom wick before it starts to go back up. So this could be a power 30 minutes. This could be great. We can knock out our trading for the day in this one trade if it all goes well. And today I can't go long. Like I've been going 3, 4, 5 hours on these lives. I got to go to an appointment about 10:30. I got to jump on. Okay, so I'm liking this right here. Let me see what the 1 hour looks like. Very strong, very, very strong. Okay, so we're just waiting for the confirmation on this 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame to go in. How many pips was that? 41. Cool. Woo-wee. Okay, here it comes. So let me go ahead and get this ready. Matter of fact, I don't see it. Where's that? That's he's supposed to be already on here. So GJ, this one already has GJ. Which one is this? My 100K account. This is my, okay. So once again, the 100K account, it's going to be 3.8, right? Yep, 3.81 to be specific. And then my other one is going to be 0.14. And then we looking, it broke into it a little bit. I'm going down to the 1-minute time frame now. If I can see it go back above that wick, I'm gonna give them both a chance. It's definitely above this high. A lot of tension right around here. Don't play with us. You don't play with us. What is you gonna do? All right, y'all. I think we're about to make this trade. Let this 1-minute candle finish up. See what it do. See if it end in a red. Look like it's gonna end as a red candle. It's a weak red candle though. It's really, really weak. Is it a sell or a buy? This is a buy. So we about to predict that the market about to go up to the top of this green area. Okay, so somebody in the chat, Tao Loss said, I took the buy on GJ and retested on a 50 SMA, and now it should be good to keep going. Good, thank you, thank you. So we got more confluence over here from the chat. All right, cool. So let's get in right now. I'm jumping in. Okay. Okay, cool, cool, cool. We got our first trade of the week. Let's see how we get it going. All right, Sherelle said she and GJ too. All right. So my stop loss, just so we know, you got to set that stop loss so you know where to get out at. And I'm gonna put it right around. Oh, your mine was a little bit lower than that. So it's over here. This black line. I need a good color from like my stop losses. Not that. Not blue. Not yellow. I'll try orange with a dotted line, and I'll set an alert. It says, like Lauren Hill said, I get out of all your boxes. I get out. What platform do you trade on? MetaTrader, TradingView, T.bot. I use those softwares. Oh, crossing up. No, should be crossing down. Boom. Okay, you did a 3-to-1. Woo. Sounds good. So what did you get in at? And where's your stop loss at? Was 3-to-1. So when she says 3-to-1, that means she's trying to gain $3 for every $1 she risked. So what that pretty much means is like, for example, with this one right here, you see my risk to reward ratio is 1.29. So it's kind of like, are you trading M1 candles? Sometime, yeah. I started higher and I worked my way down to M1. But yeah, so pretty much it says 1.29, which means for every $1 I risk, I'm trying to make $1.29 back. So if I risk $1,000, I'm trying to make 1,290 back. Or if I risk $100,000, I'm trying to make back 129,000. So it's just a way to where even if you lose some trades, when you win, you'll win so much more back. So if she loses this trade right now, let's say for $100, but she wins her next trade, she gonna win $300 if it's still 1-to-3 or 3-to-1. So it covers the last loss and more. So it's always great if you can find those setups where it looks like this market about to go up 3x. If I lose, it's only gonna go down here, but if I win, it's gonna go way up here. In this situation, I could possibly get the 3-to-1 if I go all the way up to this point, but I might ride it. I got to see what happens around this area with this red line coming down. So I would love to get up here, but if I start seeing a lot of tension around this area, I might just jump out. Market order at 168.73. Okay, cool. I see it. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we might see I hope they don't do this like crazy liquidity grab where we'll see the market just come and like shoot down real quick to like this area and then go right back up. So that's why I always leave myself a little bit of cushion. You see my stop loss is down here and I didn't put it on the market. So they don't even know that my stop loss here. So keep that a secret. Keep that down low. All right, seeing a little push. I'm seeing a little push come up. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Is me in profit? Okay, a little profit over there. A little profit over there. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So y'all probably can't see it on IG, but my 100K account is up $135 already. Oh, that must be pushing. There we go. Keep going. Now get past this candle. Come on. We know you want to get past that candle. Don't play. Going up. Can you ride line if liquidity and it goes back up. Oh, you saying like ride it down, going down? Yeah, if that's what you mean, you can, but it's just a little dangerous. But you definitely can. You just got to be quick. You got to know exactly what you're doing. Got to have your numbers ready. Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you just sit and just wait, it can go down, and your account will see some negative for a minute. Like right now, if it did that, my account will go into the negative, but then it will start to, once it reverses, you'll see it come back into positive. All right, let's go. We winning on this trade. Let's go. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking real good. So thank you, GJ. Thank you. Thank you. Take us all the way to the top. And it's starting to move too. These candles are starting to get kind of quicker. I don't see why it will reverse. I just don't see why. Oh, they hated on me. They hated on me. I don't know what Instagram be doing. They stay ending my lives though. Call it this day for okay, cool. What do you mean you didn't put your stop loss on the market? So pretty much when you trade and you put in an order, it asks you for your entry price, your stop loss price, and your take profit price. Stop loss price is where you want to get out the market at a loss. And when I'm actively just sitting here trading the markets, I don't like to put my stop loss because pretty much it's an order. So what you're really doing is you're putting in two orders. You put in an order saying, I want to get in right now. So put me in the market right now or at this specific price. And then you put in a stop loss is just another order saying, take me out, or put in a buy order. Let's say I'm in a, actually, let's do this. Let's say I'm in a buy right now. So if I'm in a buy right now, I put in a buy order, boom. Then if I put in a stop loss, that's really saying, put me in a sell order if the market goes down here, which pretty much means sell off my other position because it's losing and I don't want to be in that. So in order to get out of a buy, you have to put in a sell. So if you bought 100 shares or units, now you have to sell off those units. So when somebody like a market maker, they call it liquidity owner, whatever, like some of these companies can see these other orders and they see like a order down here, like, oh, somebody wants to sell at this price. Yeah, right. That's dumb because we know the price is about to go up. So let's go get that sell order, pull them in, make them think that the price is about to keep going down. But really, we're going to just keep going by in the buy direction where we were going in the first place. So just a little, it's a little tricky for sure. Okay. Going live again, IG. I don't care. I don't care what y'all talking about. Looking good though. Looking real good on this trade. You need to keep on pushing. I just need to see. Let's just push. Like, don't play with us. Just keep pushing. Knowing my condition is the reason I must change. Okay, cool. We're going live over here. All right, dope. When can I copy your trades? When I join, can I copy your trades? For the 30-day challenge, yes. Yes, you can. And then we're thinking about doing a different service where you could just copy our trades on a regular basis. So we're working on that right now. And that will be something that we open up. But right now, it's a perfect time. Like throughout this whole month, look, for free, you're able to copy the trades. Yeah, tap it in. What? Hey, that's crazy. Battery started dying already. Still in need of that link I asked about in the DM. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Send me just send me a quick message so it can go to the top of my DM. Peace, everybody joining in. Appreciate y'all. We on here making money together. This is dope. Like as a unit, as a group. I know some people still fresh and don't know what's going on. You're not making money, but hopefully you stick along. So when we do this challenge again, because next month we're gonna do another challenge. We didn't reveal what it's gonna be yet. We got a couple different ideas. But remember, this is just the start of a series we call it Trading Games. So the Trading Games is pretty much, dang, I didn't even have no video on for y'all. The Trading Games is pretty much where we will be doing any like different type of um, fun things that are still educational and still profitable as well. So imagine that a place where you can come to learn, have fun, and make money all in one, right? That's the goal. Join the tribe family, copying trades. It's not a good practice. Yeah, yes, it's dangerous. We definitely like I would rather you if we did start copy trading, I'd rather you be like, oh, thanks for sending that signal, coach. But what about this? You know, I would love for you to give some constructive feedback or be like, oh no, that's a great trade. I'm jumping in with you. So, but yeah, I'm with you like in the sense that we don't want people to just be super dependent on us. But at the same time, man, everybody ain't got the time and energy to do it either. All right, so that's a big red candle. It's a couple big red candles back to back. We know how GJ give it up. I think I'm gonna just step away from GJ for a hot second so we don't get no anxiety watching this thing come back on down. US 30. Oh shoot, it did shoot up. Oh no, we just didn't know where to put our stop loss at. This is a good stop loss area. We missed that right there, but it came down 20 minutes ago and made a good spot for entry. T-Dot bot is telling us to look for sales right around here. Let me see. Let me do a little bit of analysis. This is the 1 minute time frame. So let me go up a little bit. Not a huge fan of that. But that don't look bad. On the 1 minute, it don't look bad at all. I ain't gonna lie. Sheesh. That might be a quick sniper entry right there. That look good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to see if I see a little M pattern. Uh, yeah. Little neckline right around here. How GJ looking, y'all? I'll be right back. US 30. Still coming down. Oh, oh, that was a strong bounce right there. Yeah, this looks like a strong buy zone. This looks like a very strong buy zone. Oh, let me see what we got on this reversal cloud. Oh, yep, here we go. Here we go. So boom, boom, boom. Ooh wee. It's a good one right here. 101.2 point. All right, so 47. Let me try this out right here. 47. Oops. I'm gearing up for US 30. Gearing up for US 30 if anybody interested. How many pips was that? This was a tight one right here. I'm just seeing what it would look like. 40, bring it down a little bit. 53 pips. I'll change this over here to 1. Sheesh, 19 lots? Seriously? Wow. Yeah, that was a nice little flag pattern. So I like that a lot. Let me get that. Let me gear that up. There's US 30. Here we go. There's another one for US 30. Here we go. Okay, and GJ back in profit. Here we go. US 30. So US 30.76. Not sure yet. I'm just gearing it up. Just gearing it up. And at 19 lots. Sheesh. I mean, somebody please make sure that's right. 104K 50. Oh yeah, because it's a really tight stop loss. Sheesh. So we can come up great. Oh, not that. Wow. We can come up real good on this one. Let's go check it out. Okay, so 0.76, 19 lots. Keeping our eye on this. All it takes is one big candle, y'all. I'm telling you, this might be real quick. If it go up above that line, I'm jumping in. I heard something about a 90 pip grab yesterday. Can you speak on what I missed? 90 pip grab yesterday? I'm not sure what that was about. 90 pips? I'm not sure what that is about. I posted something about Auto Trader, a screenshot from that. Like, that's the biggest trade we ever did with Auto Trader pip wise. It's up 420 pips, automated, 100% automated. It's been in that trade for like a week. So UJ, which is the US dollar versus Japanese yen, has been just shooting up. And yeah, we just like, it caught that whole big trade, which is dope. That was 420 pips. Crazy. All right, come on, let's pull them back for us a little bit. That's good. That's good. Pull back for a big explosion. GJ, let's see what you're doing. What are you doing over here? What are you doing? What are you doing? Respect that trend line. Supposedly it was being tracked since last week. Yeah, where did you see this at? Just tell me what you're talking about, like specifically, and I can help you get the answers you're looking for. This is good, y'all. Come on, we're gonna pass this shit challenge. Okay, I know GJ might bounce right here. This will be a great second entry point. Oh, this will be a great second entry point right here. This would be great. You can get 101 just going back to where it just came from. Ooh. Ooh, I'm gonna chill though, because I'm doing a lot. I'm doing a lot right now, so I'm gonna chill. But that right there, if I wasn't on here with y'all, I'm just trying not to confuse my people. That's following these trades with me. You in a 1 minute time frame on US 30. Yep. Think about going down to the 30-second. Actually, I'm going down to the 30-second. Going down to the 30. Oh, another program coach was speaking on it. Another Unlock Academy coach. Yeah, my bad. I just don't know what you're talking about specifically. What's the site you're on, Antoine? So that's tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. Okay, US 30 coming back. Come on, here it comes. See a nice little trend line right here being respected. All right, I'm about to pull the trigger on that joint. What's what GJ doing? All right, GJ still respecting that trend line too. Now, Instagram, YouTube been hating on my music selection, so I can't play no music today, not even beats. US 30 is in the red zone. Oh, you probably been on the trap house. What red zone you talking about, Cuzzo? Let's go. So listen, if we win both of these trades, we up 2-3% for the day. If we lose both of these trades, we down 2% for the day. Not upset either way. This is what trading is, okay? Music is always hard. Each platform has their own rule. It sucks. Exactly, yeah. So it's cool. We're gonna just make our own music. And Thursday, speaking of music, Thursday, we dropping the music video. Show y'all a side of me y'all never saw before. Come through. Thursday night premiere. Cannot wait. All right, this is it, y'all. This is the time. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, what did it do? Did it bounce? 1, 2. Come on, Wick. And cancel. Let me do the 1 minute. I'm going back to the 1 minute time frame. I want to see it close on the 1 minute up there. That was crazy. It came and just touched it real quick. Let's see what you about to do. Here we come. Here we come. Say less, we there. Let's go. Yeah, come through. And that's the same night we opening up enrollment for Auto Trader. That's a huge candle. That's a huge candle. Dang. So if it reverses and it's 54 pips as a stop loss. Oh, that's pretty dope. I think my stop loss. Oh, my stop loss here was 51. So about the same thing. Either way it go, it's going to be about the same thing. So I just got to do buy or sell. So this is perfect. This is actually a great trade right here. Either way it go. If it go down, we're going to jump into a sell. If it go up, we're going to jump into a buy. This is heavy consolidation right now. So our trap is literally right here. And I'm mad because once it shoot up, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna be so quick. Which account I want to do first? Smaller one first, and that one. Okay. You deal with NFTs too? Yeah. We could definitely talk some NFT talk. I'm not sure what you mean by deal with them. AJ got a signal. So T-Bot just sent a signal for AJ. We can't look at that right now. I'm sorry, because I think this buy is about to take off. Yeah, that consolidation is telling us it's ready to go up. I don't care what nobody say. It's just timing, of course, but it's ready. Mm-hmm. Speaking of NFTs, we're gonna do some NFT stuff Thursday night too. So that's a little sneak peek. I ain't gonna say much more, but come ready, y'all. Come ready. I'm gonna introduce y'all to my brother Boz. Brother Boz, he one of the coaches at Unlock Academy, and he gonna do a lot of introduction to NFTs for y'all. Oh shoot. Okay. All right. So where is that at? All right, 1 second. Try. Oh, let me see. Let me check on GJ real quick. All right, still playing around down there. 1 second. Okay. I'm setting up my tripod so I can get charged up. All right, so y'all can still see my facial expressions, hand movements. All that makes a difference when teaching. All right, so this is looking real sellish at this point. I see this little trend line right here. But it could be just like I said, liquidity. It could be coming just to grab some of this. We'll see. US 30 might be a quick move. Might be a quick move. All right, I might have to open up two charts too. Wait, 1 second. 1 second, because this is moving quick. Our entry is not until down here. Okay, I'm gonna open up two charts so we can see both of these at once. How are we looking on GJ? How bad is it looking? Not too bad. Our stop loss is down here. Okay, entry is somewhere up here. Okay, cool. Cool. This needs to be US 30. Okay, now we got the full view. Now we see exactly everything we're looking at. So on the left-hand side over here is US 30, looking for buy opportunities or sell opportunities, looking like it's about to do this sell because that trend line looks really, really badly broken. This little green trend line here. And we had some oversold stuff already coming over here. So it's looking very sellish. And GJ looks like it's finding support. So I'm looking, most likely this is about to be a sell on US 30. That looks like it. Y'all see it touching? You see it touching? There we go. I'm going for it. Yeesh. Whew. All right. What a change of events. What a change of events. Let's go. Yeah, GJ need to come back up. Come on, GJ. All right, let's go. All right, that's looking great. That's looking real good. Uh-oh, what's up, Dukes? Hey, Dukes. Hope you feeling well. I'm over here in the lab working, getting them bucks. I was gonna hit you up today to see if we can look into something for Monday next week. So I'll call you. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh yeah, we up crazy already on that one. Oh yeah, we up. Okay, so we up 400 on the 100K account. We up 13, 14 bucks. Sheesh, just doing some volatility stuff. Keep on coming down. Just keep on coming. I told you this might be a quick trade, and I hope I ain't got to take profit early. Just hit our TP. Hit our TP. We don't want no partial trade. We want the full thing. Keep on coming down. Keep on coming. Let's see, how much can y'all see over here on Instagram? Yeah, y'all can see good. So y'all see the trade on the right is in the red. So we losing on that trade. The trade on the left is in the green. We winning on that trade. Overall, we had about break even. No, it's at about break even. So let's keep our eye on it. But this one is coming back up. It's coming back up. You see this nice M pattern up here we was talking about earlier? This was the first thing we saw when we first came on this chart. And T.Bot told us to look for the sales. So T.Bot was right. Appreciate you. But it did send a buy signal too. It did, but we just didn't take that one. Let me see. Shoot. But yeah, I totally, at this moment, detach myself from these trades, detach my emotion. No matter what happens, we are still winners. We still rich. This does not affect our self-worth. Remember that, okay? Are these two moving in unison right now? Like, what the heck is y'all doing? Yeah, look at these both moving at the same time. That's a crazy good candle right there. So that got me wondering, should I get the heck out of US 30? If these things are riding together right now, it should not be. Mind you, it should not be. This was a nice big push right there. Great candle right there. $100. Yeah, that ain't the move. So it'd be great if we can get this profit off of US 30, smack the TP there. And then GJ still got room to go do what they want to do. Okay, I'm charging up. My phone charging finally. That's great. Yeah, discipline is key, family. You already know how it go. Let's go, y'all. All right, so GJ coming back up. Let's get it. I'm liking how GJ looking. It was planned. I don't know. We got to see. We got this. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't like this 800 over here. Sheesh. We're gonna see though. I think we good. I think we good. But US 30 playing some games. If I don't see a big red candle here soon, I might have to get out the way on US 30. GJ is doing what it's supposed to do. Come back on up. All right, US 30 is playing games, man. Took our whole little profit away. I just don't see why these two would be moving together. Unless it's some news coming out or something I don't know about. Yeah. So yeah, if US 30 keeps going up, you might not even see me ride this all the way up to the stop loss. I might take it out a little bit early. We'll see. Hey, peace, family. Peace, y'all. Okay, here we go, US 30. Here you go. Yeah, be your own person. Be a leader. Don't follow the Germans. I said the Germans. Don't follow the British, okay? Every time I think of GBP, JPY, I don't know why I think of Germany. But yeah, don't follow the British, okay? Not a good look. Not a good look at all. Okay, come on. Woo. There we go. There we go, US 30. There we go. Sheesh. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. See how much profit we got. We might take a little bit of that. 25. Oh yeah, we're gonna take some of that. I'm gonna take some of those partials. Shoot, let me just see. That's a big red candle. Let me give it a little bit of a, let me give it a little bit of time. Let me give it a little bit. That 25 bucks looks great. That 600 looks great, but I feel like we so close to seeing a big run. Yeah, there we go. See, it still want to push. We got this line right here. There we go. Keep pushing. So now I'm about ready to take some partials. 600, 700. So pretty much what you would do is you would just change your lot size to how much you want to sell off. So in this situation, I might want to sell off like 16 lots, 15 lots or something like that, something crazy. Giving it a second, see how this candle right here end. If we can get like 3 or 4 red candles in a row, be great. I don't see no green candle yet, so I ain't scared yet. 20 seconds left on this candle. 10 seconds left. Dang, look at the GJ coming back down. That ain't a good look. Yes, US 30 is looking great. Looking great. Yeah. All right, it just hit our cool 900, 950. Let's go. I'm about to lock in 16 pips of that. So I'm gonna close out a lot of that. Cool. So now we got that solidified for sure. I'm gonna leave the rest to keep going. Yep, look, oh, it's still going. Let's go. Let that keep on doing what it do. See if we can take some more profits out of that. Once we closed 785, that was good. So that's about a 7% increase. GJ is really wilding right now. Let's see if it bounces again off of this line. All right, I'm gonna take out US 30 totally. US 30, I'm gonna just take that profit and go. Actually, no, I'm gonna just close like most of it. It's 0.26 left over here. I'm gonna just close out 0.20. Just want to close as much as I can on that. Close out 2 lots. So just in case a little bit go back up, but look at those candles. I see this trend line that it might be bouncing off of. That's all I wanted, honestly. Let me get out of there. Let me get out of there. I didn't want much on that. I know I didn't. I didn't want much. I got what I came for. Now, thank you, US 30. Thank you. Now you over here. You over here. Come on. So closing out means take profits. So what I was doing was closing some of the trades. So let's say when you first jump into a trade and you say you want to bet 1 lot. Okay, 1 lot means 100,000 units, something like 100,000 shares if you know how stocks work. So you want to buy, let's say 1 lot. And when it's trading, that's how much is in the market, 1 lot. But then once you make some profit, if you want, you can close out a portion of that, like a half a lot or something like that. So that way you can get out the way. So I'm about to close a portion of this right here. It is loss right here if this don't stop. That's what I think I'm about to do. Sheesh, man. GJ acting up again for real. Telling GJ and Gold was the ones that I put on this list, and I was like, give y'all a chance. But if y'all start acting up, I'm like, it's over. So Gold, I've been definitely staying away from. I haven't even traded with that yet on this challenge. But GJ, I gave it a chance last week, took some money from us. Now here it is again, playing games, trying to take some more from us. But US 30 did what it was supposed to do. Like always, I think we like 100% with US 30. So, yeah. Yeah, that's looking pretty weak. And I get it. It bounced off of this line. Let me see if I can get another confirmation that this really is over. Bounced off the 50 there. Bounced off there. Everything looks super bearish. Yeah. I mean, it was looking good on the 1 hour. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me stop. Let me wait. Let me wait. Let me wait. Because this here go a wick right here that it bounced off of already. So this could definitely be a support area right here. Let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance. We got a little bit of time to go. Okay, so the 1 hour just gave me a little bit of hope. 4 hour. Whew. 4 hour too, because it was a bearish exhaustion and I was pushing right back up. The daily, we coming off of a strong previous day. It went down here today and now it's working its way back up. Okay, all right, this is giving me good potential vibes. It's giving me some good potential. Fat fingered at me and gold got beef. Yeah, gold is tricky. Okay, so let me go back over here. So we got a little bit of hope right now for this GJ trade. Only a few more pips. So my stop loss is way down here. If it goes past this orange dotted line I got, I'm not even gonna make it to that stop. I'm taking out early. Okay, so we're gonna see how it end up acting. Let me draw a trend line too on a 1 hour. Let me see what that's been looking like. That's not even a trend for real, for real. It starts back here. That's a little tricky. I need to make these different widths or something. Okay. Oops. There we go. It just filled up that whole candle. That's good. That's a great sign right there. It's a great sign. So this candle has been going for 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes. So we got 2 minutes left. Let's see if it can push back up, take back control. Let's see if the bulls can take back control. I'm new to your following. Okay, nice to meet you. Do you watch SPY and other futures? Lately, I've been looking at that, but only because of some people recommended it. But yeah, I haven't studied it like long term. But I heard good things about it, so I'm about to be on it. I'm definitely about to be on it because I heard it moves quicker, like a little bit before US 30. Right, let me see if I'm logged into my. How much money is we down on this account? 24 bucks, 600. Yeah, it's coming back up. But today we won 785.73. That's 15. It's 860. 910. Damn, yeah. So we won 910. We up 5,800 on this account. Let's go. All right. Do not hate on us, GJ. Do not hate on us. Come on. Let's go. All right. So this 2K account, well, now 4K because it doubled for me. We up 2.2% for the day. And then on our other one, we are up 5.2%. Let's go. Woo, look at this though. Our win rate is 95%. Ooh. Yo, this is crazy. 95% win rate live, y'all. Come on. Here we come. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Here we go. Come back up for us. I hope it don't just bounce off of this trend line. Don't do us dirty. 95% win rate. Let's go. So yeah, this analyzer is letting us know we got to get to 8K. We are at, we win this trade, we're going to be at like 68. We're going to be like 15, 16, 1700 away from passing the challenge to part one, like phase one. And then we can go into phase two. We got 7 days underneath our belt, so we should be able to upgrade immediately. That should be great. I got a notification. Oh, they did a payout. Oh yeah, so just so you know, it's really dope. Like I got my first payout for my 2K account. So once I doubled it to 4K, I also requested a payout. It's for $100. So it's a process. It's definitely a process. Like they ask you for your address, for your ID, for fill out some like tax information, social security. So pretty much they like hiring you as a contractor to trade. So they will ask you for a lot of information. Okay, this candle is looking great. Looking great. Let's go. Let's go. I think on a 15-minute, it might be looking real good. On the 30-minute, it's still a red candle. Yo, come on. We need some hope. There we go. Pushing, 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 pushing. What? Don't turn around on us. If it turn around and come back now, like I'm getting out early. Like, we back. We back. We should be. Look, yeah, now we only $100 down. We only $100 down. That was some ugly drawdown. We didn't need all of that. We get back in profit. I'm gonna let my hair down. So that's gonna be a gesture to the universe, like thank you. Let's go. That's a W pattern too down here. Y'all see it? See that nice W it did for us? The W symbolizes our victory, our win. That's a strong candle. There we go. There we go. The bulls are in control. The bulls are in control. The bulls are in control. Stop playing with the bears. Like, don't give them nothing. Look, right now, y'all giving them too much. They're getting excited. They're getting happy. Don't give them nothing. Looking divergent too. That's a good one. Okay, got some divergence happening too. Ooh-wee. Come on now. Come on now. Came right back up here to that same area again and started coming down. Yo, look at UJ, y'all, over here. It came all the way back up. We got our 1-1 and got out of there. That's how you do it. Get your money and go. Sheesh. If it keep going up, we might hop back up in that buy. Hey, don't know. Ah, shoot. This is sucky, man. Should have broke even right around there. Took that $100 loss. That's the hardest thing to do. When you see a trade go into negative and then come back up towards broke even, like break even, to leave right there at break even, that's another level of discipline. Like that's a crazy level. Like, you know what? I'm just out of here. I don't want nothing to do with you. I'm out. Ooh, US 30. Looking for another sale opportunity? Yeesh. Wow, look at that. That joint coming right back down. Look at US 30. Look at it go. I got to jump off in 1 hour, y'all. 1 hour, I got to go. If you got any questions, now is definitely the great time to ask them. Remember, Thursday night, we releasing T.Bot 2.0. That's going to be the indicator that we use that you see right here. And also the auto trader, we're going to open up 1,000 seats, only 1,000. We would love to open it up to everybody, y'all, and just like open up the floodgates and get 1 million, billion users like social media, but that's not our goal. And also we want it to be done right. So we're going to focus on 1,000 people only, 1,000 people only. And we're going to be doing something dope for people who were impacted by the pandemic. So if you were impacted by the pandemic and financially, economically, then join that session because we're going to be doing something dope for y'all. Okay. So we're doing a double header. We're going to be releasing new software and also a music video just because they actually go hand in hand together. So I can't wait till y'all see it. Y'all going to be like, what does music have to do with T.Bot? I don't get it. You're going to see. You're going to see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And know you want to find that support. I know what you want to do. I know what you want to do. You want to win. You want to be a victory. You want to be a victory. Okay, cool. I think once this come back up, it's just gonna take off. So this trade is not, we're not gonna be in it long once it goes back up here to this point. See, if GJ was acting right, I would double up right now. This would be a great time to double up. But GJ don't be acting right. Double up 3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies. I just run it up. So pretty much if my balance is for this account, it's 105,800. So we would need about 200. That's on 6. So we need about 2,200 to finish out this trade, to finish out this phase. 2,200. That's it. That ain't nothing. That's 2%. That ain't nothing. So let me go ahead and get. I might double up. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I might double up. So what I would do is I would see a good place to put my stop loss, which would be around here, 15 pips. That's a real tight too, real tight. When I said 105, 800, like 36 or something. I would do like a 0.5. I ain't even betting a whole percent on them. I ain't trusting them. So that would be about 5 lots on that account. GBP, JPY, 15 pips. That balance has changed. We now got 4,100. Let's go. Same thing, only better percentage of my account. So 0.20. Yeah, so GJ 0.20. I would do that. And then GJ over here, it was 5.2. Thinking about it, y'all. Really don't know. Just thinking about it because it came down here and did a lot of consolidation, which means a lot of accumulation, which means this thing can really take off for us. See that big green candle? That's looking great. That's looking real great. See this look like on the 1 hour time frame again? Looking good, beautiful, looking beautiful. 30-minute looking great. 5-minute looking great. 1 minute time frame is what we're waiting for right now. Everything is lining up for us. All right, I'm going for it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for the gusto. As soon as it go into our little green zone, boom. This should speed things up for us a little bit. Should speed things up for us. Should be able to get out of here pretty quick. Yeah, I just don't see why it would go all the way back up here to come back down. Like I don't even want to hear it. I don't even want to hear it. I don't even want to hear it. You are destined to go up. You are amazing. You are great. You are a winner. You are a bull. You are prosperous. You will go up to 168.97 and beyond. You will flourish. You will make back to back to back to back green candles. Let's go. Link right there in the chat. Shout out to Nicole. Thank you, Coach. She dropped the link for the special double release, double header, register to be able to save your spot for Auto Trader, and also check out this new indicator. We're going to break the whole thing down. I have a whole presentation right here ready for you to explain exactly how to use this indicator. Everything you need is going to be right in here. Okay, it's going to give you examples, what to look out for. Only thing I want to add is what to watch out for, like what danger zones we need to watch out for. Okay, US 30, I'm good on you. I think we did great. I think we ate enough. Now, if you come up here, now that's different. You start coming up into this area, I would look for some more buys. But I'm gonna chill on you over here. Okay, I said I was gonna let my hair down if we come back up here. Let's go. It's time. Take off for us. I love the affirmations to the candle. Yes, speak life. They're like your plants. You gotta give it oxygen, give it love, affirm. Let's go. Woo. Sheesh. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. You see that moving up, y'all? Y'all see that moving up? I just want to keep my eye on US 30. I don't want to trade you just yet. I just want to keep my eye on you over here. Yes, look at that push. Look at that push. So we up, what? And buys, right? I'm only up 14 bucks. Oh, don't matter. At least I'm above profit now. Like we was down 600-700 for a second. Let's go. You can do it. Let's go. Come on. Yo, what's up with these wicks? What are you doing? What time is it? 9:40. Okay, US session kicking off, really kicking off heavy. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. I don't know what that's all about. Let me see. Oh, this is the 5-minute time frame. That candle just opened. So let it do its little wick. Let it build a wick up real quick. Let it go to like 50% of this previous candle. Sheesh. Look at that. If that engulfed that whole candle, I'm out of y'all way. Like, come on. Okay, that could have just been a quick little liquidity grab. I know how y'all do. My stop loss is still, where was my stop loss at again, y'all? Oh, way down here. Way down here. Ooh, they get tricky. I saw that. It came down real quick. Try to scare some people in reverse. Number one, do I have to have a laptop to use T.bot, or can I use it on my smartphone? Yep, you can use it on your smartphone. Yep, you don't need a laptop. I always recommend a laptop to do this analysis like you see me doing, a bigger screen, make things a little bit more clear. But it looks like your name says African Proud Village Woman Juju. That's your name, right? And if you in Africa, I know for sure that our people in the motherland are super resourceful, right? You can give them that old school Nokia screen and y'all gonna figure out how to hack some stuff. Y'all gonna figure out how to make something work. So I never would sleep on you and be like, no, you need a laptop, you need a big screen. No, that's a privilege. Like, this is a mini computer. That's all this is. These phones are nothing but computers, mini computers. So don't ever sleep on the power of it. I know some people think this is just a phone and it's something that you do for leisure and to get phone calls and text messages. No, the phone is literally a way to make anything you could do with a supercomputer, you can do with a phone. Like, same way we're making money right now on this computer, you can do definitely from your phone. I'm in America, but I'm planning to go back home. Okay, cool. Just came back in June. Nice. Okay. A lot of consolidation today. A lot of big consolidation, choppy day. How do you get both charts up like that on TV? Oh, they hated on me again. Thank you, Instagram, for cutting me off. I love how you do that. So the question was, how do you do that? So it's a button up here at the top. It says select layout. So there's all these different type of layouts that you can do to show multiple different charts. Like, I don't know why you want to show 6 charts at a time, but sheesh, 8. That's crazy. You could do a lot. But I know it depends on what plan you have as well. Okay, Instagram, keep cutting your boy off. Okay, I'm gonna go live again. Okay, yeah, we might have to get out of here. We might have to get out of here. I don't know what they trying to pull off. Big push. Yeah, we might have to get up out of their way. That's a huge candle, y'all. That's a huge, huge candle. Let me go over here and look and see on the 15-minute. Look at that wick. Oh my God. They came up here, grabbed all of that just to shoot back down. Ooh-wee. This might be the ground floor right here. Oh yeah, look, the market bleeding over here too. Oh yeah, the market is bleeding. Something happening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We out of there. Take your losses and go. It's okay. Take your losses. It's okay. Get out of their way. Get out of their way, because whatever they about to do, you do not want to be a part of that. Don't take the full loss. Don't take the full loss at all. Okay? Let's wait it out and see exactly what happened. And see how they start to push this and reverse this, but we do not want to be in that right now. Ooh-wee. I like US 30. It finally broke that trend line officially. Stay out the way of that. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of Black-owned social media apps out there. It's just about getting people to move over to them. That's the catch. That's really the catch right there, okay? All right, cool. All right, so GJ, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, GJ is on my are you entering a trade on TradingView? Nope, all on MetaTrader. GJ is getting kicked off the list. Telling you right now. I'm not, because I think another big thing is we're trading GJ during the US session, which it still has a lot of volume around that time, but the volatility is way, way crazier compared to if you trade it during the actual London session, you'll see some clear moves. So I gave it a chance. I gave you a shot. I try to give you a chance, but no, you're getting in our way. You're getting in our way right now. So I got about 45 minutes. See if I got time to find another great setup. This would be good. I don't know. Matter of fact, this upwards trend line is not looking like it's in our favor. Dang, I'm about to disown GJ. Sorry. I knew it from the beginning, though, when I started this challenge. I said, I'm going to give you a chance. I'm going to give you a chance. But when you come in, you knock us out twice. I'm good on you. Well, that's a big M right there. I like that. That's a big M. So we got there, right? One of my favorite setups. And then you go get a triangle right in here before we get a breakout down to the bottom. The next area of support is, we got this one here. That's another good one right here. And let's see if we can find another one right around here. Okay, yeah. So if this is a trend line break, it does a retest before coming back down. Yeah. Today's Tuesday. Last Tuesday was it's crazy. Last Tuesday was a very choppy day in the market too. Very choppy. So let's see if this is going to be the same thing. We made most of our gains on Wednesday and Thursday. Actually, Thursday. It was Thursday, I think. Wednesday was good, but GJ took away some profit from us, so that messed us up. Okay. Head and shoulders. Oh, that is a good head and shoulders. I could definitely see that. I think it's kind of close. Yeah, GJ is good after 8, after 9, 10, 11, 12 at night. I was seeing if I like a setup around here, but I don't know if I really do. Oh, I think I do. I like just going down towards that area. That looks good, actually. But I'm looking for a stop loss place to put my stop loss at. 66 pips. A little tricky. I'll go for it though, because that joint keep on going down, keep on going back up to that area and coming back down. So let me see, it'll be 66 pips, we said. Yeah, 66 pips. Let's see if I can make it in time. 40, 63. I'm gonna bet 1%. And this one will be US 30. 66 pips. 1. And our balance there is 104, 424. Cool. Ah, shoot, we missing it. It's pulling back a little bit. Let me see if I can load it up. I'm gonna try, see if I can load it up before I lose. It was 15 lots. 15 lots. Other one is 61 lots. I'm set up my copy trader too. Yeah, that joint going quick. Shoot, I'm gonna try it. It's going so quick. So GJ, look at GJ. That joint went down. It's out of there. So GJ would have hit our stop loss now. So we got out good. We got out early before it went all the way down. So that's good. You got to think about that. You save yourself some money by not staying in that trade too long. Boom, 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 boom. So where did it get us in at here? 36.28. Around this area here, officially we got put in. Our stop loss is going to be somewhere around here. Which is a good area. Still looking good. Then what I wanted to do, what was I about to do? Oh yeah, and that joint trying to go up already. That was a quick go up. Let's see if it bounced off of this trend line. If we see a strong green candle, then yeah, we got to get out their way. And we're gonna stay out their way for the day. So usually if I lose like 2% in a day, then I'm jumping out the markets for the day. That's how I do it. Good thing is we already had some profit, and then they took that with GJ. But yeah, I'm not gonna play around with them if they're gonna take 2%, because that just means it's on some real volatile consolidation kind of day. So it's gonna just bounce around up, down, up, down, up, down all day. And we don't want to be in that. So let's see. Might be taking this out. And usually when this happens, that means it's like, yep, I'm out of there. I'm getting out of there. Let me see this candle. Oh, this 200. Let's see if it go above this 200. 1 second. See if it goes above that. It's the 1 minute time frame. Trying to see if it closed above it. 30 seconds. And then, so around 10:30, 11 o'clock, we're probably going to see a lot of more clear trading. I won't be online at that time. So I'm gonna definitely probably not look at the charts, because I'm gonna be like, look at this. Look at this. You went exactly where we knew you was gonna go. Come on back down. Come on back down. Thank you. Keep coming. Come on. Keep on coming down. A lot of consolidation today, guys. Come on. Keep on coming down. That's good. So today's Tuesday. So Wednesday. So I mean, we may be looking at a lot of buys, like an uptrend for US 30 for the rest of the week. GJ, I'm not even thinking about GJ. I want to say the same thing for GJ though, but I don't even want to think about GJ right now. Ugly markets. Yeah, it's an ugly little day. And it's fine. Like I love to see it going down, but if it's going down and up, down and up, yeah, that's too unpredictable. The markets are already unpredictable, but when they start doing all of that crazy in a big range too, it's not even a small range. Like if you look at this between 7:30 when we got on, it's right back at that same area. So this is where it was when we got on. So since we got on, the market has went up, made a high, came down back to where it was. And now it's looking like it's trying to bounce off of that area again. Let me see. Look at the Asian. This was the London, looking for the London high. London high was around here. Yep. So it's finding support at the London high. So that means it's probably where I want to stay at. So if you're in a trade and it's going down negative, does your account go down with the trade? I mean, look at it. It's keep doing this. Like I want to get out, but you got to stay above that area. Let me confirm, but don't do it. Stay down. Like go down. But if you go do that, I need to know. I'm just waiting for it to close. I don't want it to close above it, but if it does, I need to see it close above it. Like that looks, or if it just looks super strong, then I will get out the way. Like that looks. Let's see if it passes right here. Yeah, we about to get up out of there. What you gonna do? Like, look at that. You see that wick? It's like it's hitting people's stop losses. It's just taking people out the market. It's about to hit mine too. Shoot, it already hit mine. I'm about to get out their way. But yeah, pretty much your account go down once you actually close it. Once you officially close it out. I'll break that down in a second. It's the difference between your balance and your equity. Equity is what you have still open plus your balance. All right, let's go. I'm out of there too. I'll take it. I'll take it out. Cool. All right, y'all did good. Y'all did good. They did good for the day. They did good. They did good for the day. Look at that. All right, y'all won. Y'all won. This is still that trend line. So what do we get in that right here? Yeah, as soon as it did that, it came up, came down. Came up, came down. My bad, I'm just analyzing my loss, trying to see. I always like to see what went wrong. What could we have missed out on? Let me go up a little bit, 30-minute. I'd like to know, like, what went wrong? What could we have done better in that situation? So came down here, pushed a long wick, closed back above this area. What moving average is that? The 20, it came down to the 20, went back up. Pull back. I don't know. I don't really see nothing crazy. I mean, besides the fact that, like I said, since the Asian session, when it went down, it made a support and it's just been going up. So the market most likely might want to go up, but for whatever reason, these last 2 hours, it has been very, very sellish, very bearish. So we got kicked out of there. But yeah, I want to talk about what Rihanna asked about the negative amount. So pretty much when you in a trade, your equity goes up and down, and the equity is like your realized or the unrealized profit or loss. So you may see your account going down in equity, but your balance will still stay the same until you actually close out the trade. All right, boom, 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 boom. I really don't want to watch it because it might tempt me to jump back in, but I'm not jumping in. I'm committing to that, taking my loss for the day. And pretty much, let me see. Let's check this out. So let me see for today. Boom. Yeah, see, we end up going down 2%. GJ got us there. US 30 got us for 1. I ain't too mad about that one. But what I think will really happen is GJ hit us. So when GJ hit me, I'm like, okay, US 30 gonna do us right. So I'm gonna go get it back. So it might have been some element of revenge trading up in there. I can own that. But at the same time, it's like, it's just heavy consolidation that I really should have been able to point out and pick up. Like this was crazy right here. But it broke this trend line. It's actually was a great trade. I'm not even mad at it for real at all, because what it did was, this is like one of my favorite setups where we get a massive trend. Let me outline it. We get a good trend line going up, okay? It breaks that trend line, comes down, and then it pulls back up, and then we enter once it breaks that line. So right here was where it broke down to, it made a good V in this area over here. I know it's hard to see, but pretty much it made a good V over here. So we waited for it to come back in, and we got in right at this point. And it would have been great to be able to ride this from here down to here. And for whatever reason, it just didn't happen. So any trade that any strategy that you have, right, the win rate is never going to be 100%. All right, it's so hard to find 100%. So instead, you settle for something like 80% to 90% win rate, right? That's doable. So that means that there's going to be a situation where you lose 20% of the time, or you lose 10% of the time, okay? And that's just what happened here. That's what I'm gonna count it as, because I love this setup. I'm not mad at it. It looks good. Our trend line was way down here. It went below the EMA 200, which is this blue line here. It looked good. It looked good. We had our head and shoulders pattern. We had an M pattern up in there. Broke our support. So it looked good. So I say all that to say, for me personally, I'm not gonna let it change my strategy. So if today or tomorrow I see another setup where, most likely tomorrow, if I see another setup where a trend line break and then it retests and then continue falling, I'm staying out the way. I mean, I'm staying with I'm sticking to my method. Look, that's a full retest right there. Came and test that trend line again up here. But it's consolidating. So what that means is it's going to accumulate liquidity for a while. I don't know how long it's going to last. It already got us for enough. It's not going to come get me for no more before it finally go to wherever it want to go. And as we've seen up here, what we was waiting for, these buys, this is probably where it really wants to go to, but it's just trying to make sure that before we do all of that, we're going to get as many people out as possible. So if I wouldn't have lost that GJ trade, I would still be looking for opportunities to trade, but GJ took out about 0.6% of my account on a loss. So yeah, I'm not actually, actually it took more. I forgot. It took more because I pretty much doubled up on that trade, right? Yeah, it took way more. Yep. So it took about 1.5%. So yeah, we ain't messing with that. GJ back on the move. Craig, so GJ back. Let's see what GJ is doing. We ain't scared to look. Yep, going back up again. Back up again. Back again. What was that consolidation box? Oh yeah, this was the box right here. So pretty much this was the range we was in, and it's just extended up a little bit. It's now ranging all up in there. I'm good. I'm staying out their way. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. So I know, and I knew for a fact this wasn't going to be a cut and dry, easy challenge, right? It was looking too easy last week. So here comes the challenges right now. When you start seeing how the market plays these tricks with us. So be on point, mark up them charts, mark them charts as much as possible, okay? Yeah. Look at that. The AU end up doing. Let's go. I'm excited for this auto trader. Oh my God, look at that. Them signals 8 right there. That would have been, that's beautiful right there. AU. What happened? I thought we marked this chart up. Oh yeah, we said we was looking for sales down here or buys up above. Meanwhile, T.Bot over here sending signals on M1. Smacking too, sheesh. Hey, you been doing good, Rihanna? Yeah, I see. Ooh-wee. All right, cool. All right, so do me a favor before we jump off of this real quick. Drop down anything in the chat that you feel like you learned today. What new knowledge did you acquire today? Whether it's about a tool, whether it's about terminology, about strategy, about risk management, discipline, psychology, drop in the chat one thing you learned today. I definitely want to know. I want to hear from y'all before I jump off. I'm good on GJ, a bit twice, lesson learned for sure. Yo, for real. For real, I'm good. Like, and it's known, it's like, it's very, very known that GJ is, it's like gold. Those two are the most volatile pairs. So people like to trade them for that reason. But um, for me, I like to find clean setups on those. But I know they can be dangerous. Like it's hard. Like I feel like I can master AU, um, GU, US 30. Like those kind of pairs is easier to EU to master. UJ is a little tricky too sometimes, but it's not as crazy. Um, not as crazy. So you got your heavy volatility, your medium volatility, and then it's like low volatility. I'm like to be in that medium range. Okay, awesome. Say the markets are so predictable, yet so unpredictable. Yep, that's definitely something to learn. It's a balance of understanding that part because just when you feel like you know it all and you're 100% sure, you don't want to do that because that's when you start to over leverage your account. You start betting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7%. Like, I got this. I got this. I know exactly what's about to happen. Don't be in that position. I've learned a lot from this and I need help finding clean setups. Okay, cool. Gonna get you right with that. That sell setup we did with UJ with US 30 over here was very clean. I love that trade. That was good. We got in, got out within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was a 10-minute trade. Very clean. That GJ trade was about an hour of agony. No, remember, no emotions, no emotions, no emotions. If you get emotional, do some push-ups, get some air, meditate, get up out of there. Sherelle said, thanks to T.Bot, I got in and out. Good job. Congrats. In and out of there. AJ had a trade. Oh, we missed that signal. Hey, okay. So if anybody's new to the tribe, Brother Boss is, he did he might be still on it. We begin in 30 minutes. So he's doing a signal setup. So he'll show you how to set up all your software, how to set up your MetaTrader or Owanda, and also how to set up T.bot to enter your signals. Okay, cool. Here comes some more consolidation. All right, y'all, I'm getting up out of here. I appreciate y'all so much. This has been great, super fun. I look forward to doing this every single morning with y'all. I really love doing this. So I will see y'all tomorrow morning as well, Wednesday. And also sign up. Let me drop that link for y'all one more time for the Auto Trader meetup. And I'm gonna drop that link so y'all can join us. May the best man and best woman win as far as joining in, getting access to Auto Trader. You welcome for sure. You welcome. Still productive morning. Oh yeah, for sure. This is trading. This is real trading. You're gonna have your up days, you're gonna have your down days. This is really the way it works. Okay. So let's go over here. Matter of fact, let's check out our analyzer real quick so we can see. Like, this is all for you to track, right? So it's never meant for this to be a perfect process. We know what we're doing though. So right now we up 2.89%, almost 3%. Remember, we was up almost 5. Now we up almost 3. So yeah, we went down a little bit today. It's fine. We're gonna come back and make that up. And also just in case, like, I don't know if something's crazy gonna happen, but if I see some clear setups, I will be dropping them in our Slack group for us. And with our 4K account, I'm pretty much at break even with this account right here. I had won some trades yesterday on a Monday, came up, and now I pretty much gave all that back to the market, messing around with GJ, man. It's cool. GJ out. It's out of here. That's what, look, I'm about to kick it off the list in front of y'all. It's gone. Bye, GJ. How do I find a bias link for onboarding setup? Is it in the chat? Yes, it's in the chat. It's also in your course section. And we also got like a link over here for like live, what is it called? Live trading sessions, live session calendar. Oh, we gotta update these links. Cool. But yeah, just post on Slack when you get inside of there. Just click on Slack and say, where's the, and tag Coach Boz and say, hey, post a link for me. Cool. All right, everybody. I'll see y'all next time. See y'all tomorrow. I'll be here 7:30. Okay, and we're gonna start immediately. We won't be doing a presentation. We're gonna jump right into the market.